In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly to Systeme.io. 5 minutes. By the end, your Calendly scheduler will live right inside your System.io page so visitors can book time without ever leaving your site. Start on Calendly.com and log in. Enter your email, continue, then your password, and continue again to reach your Calendly home screen. Choose the event you want to accept bookings for. This could be a discovery call, a coaching session, or any event type you've already set up. Click Share, then select Add to Website. From the Embed options, choose Inline Embed. Inline keeps the full scheduler visible on your page, which reduces friction and helps with conversions. Click Continue and Calendly will generate an embed snippet for that specific event. Click Copy Code and keep it on your clipboard. If you need to adjust availability, duration, or buffers, it's best to do that in Calendly first so the embedded version always shows the correct times. Now switch over to Systeme.io. From your dashboard, go to Websites, then Sales Funnels, and open the funnel where you want the booking form to appear. Select the specific step or page and click Edit Page to open the visual editor. Decide on the exact spot for your scheduler. Placing it near the top of the page often performs best. In the Elements panel, find the raw HTML element, then drag and drop it into that spot on your page. Click the new HTML block to select it, choose Edit Code, and paste in the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. Save your changes. Next, click Preview to see the page as a visitor would. The Calendly scheduler should load and display your event details, dates, and available times. Try selecting a date to confirm everything responds correctly. If the embed looks cut off or too short, edit the HTML block again and increase the height value in the code so it fits cleanly. Also confirm your page is saved and published so the changes go live. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you want the scheduler to blend with your brand, customize colors and welcome text inside Calendly before embedding. Always test on mobile to ensure the calendar is easy to use on smaller screens. And once everything looks good, run a test booking to make sure confirmations and calendar invites arrive as expected. That's it. Your Calendly is now successfully embedded into Systeme.io. Save, preview, publish, and you're ready to take bookings directly on your funnel page.